Want reliable home security without spending a fortune? In this video, we're counting down the best security cameras under $50 that deliver impressive video quality, smart features, and dependable protection on a budget. Watch until the end to find the perfect affordable security camera for your home, office, or outdoor space. Number 1. TCL Wireless Wi-Fi Rechargeable Battery Security Camera. Built-in 5200 mAh rechargeable battery, completely wireless installation. No need to connect to power supply or Ethernet cable, easy to place in any corner of your home, garden, garage, or shop. High-definition lens provides clear and smooth video. Equipped with infrared night vision, it can capture clear images even in complete darkness. Adopt advanced PIR infrared detection technology, effectively distinguish between human body and other moving objects, greatly reduce false alarms caused by leaves, small animals, etc. Receive instant app push notifications when abnormal movement is detected. Built-in high-sensitivity microphone and speaker, support real-time two-way talk. You can communicate with your family, visitors, or warn intruders remotely through the app. IP66 waterproof shell, withstands rain and dust, ideal for outdoor or indoor use. Support TFSD card storage and cloud storage. You can choose the storage method according to your needs, record and playback video at any time, no need to worry about video loss, easy setup and control with Cam 720 mobile app. Suitable for home, apartment, baby room, warehouse, office, store, garage and other indoor and outdoor places. It is an ideal choice for home security and elderly/pet monitoring. Number 2. Jooan 4K8MP HD Wi-Fi PTZ Camera. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi allows the camera to work stably on the internet. If you have higher requirements for image quality and fluency, you can try connecting to 5.0 GHz Wi-Fi. There are two video screens in app, one is fixed position camera and the other is PTZ camera. Fitted with an external high-gain 5 dB enhanced antenna, the camera delivers expanded signal reception coverage. Dual lens, dual screen, app-operated the lower camera rotation, and the monitoring screen covers all directions. Whether it's high temperature, rain or snow, the camera can fully adapt to the environment. Choose whichever connection mode fits your needs best. This camera supports both wired and wireless connections simultaneously for flexible installation. You can install the camera in every location according to your needs. SD card supports up to 512 GB, you can purchase it separately. If you want more storage space, subscribing to cloud storage is a good choice. Number 3. Jooan 2K Solar Security Camera. Delivering ultra-long standby via efficient low-power battery management. It records only when motion is detected within the installation environment. When no motion is detected, the camera enters auto-sleep mode. As soon as someone appears, the camera auto-wakes up and saves the recording. IP66 outdoor waterproof rating ensures long-lasting durability in any environment. Built-in microphone and speaker, and features noise suppression technology to ensure clear calls. Supports 3 night vision modes equipped with infrared night vision lights to ensure clear images in the dark. The camera has its own SD card slot, which can support up to 256 GB memory card recording.
Thank you for watching this.
Like, comment, and subscribe.